Hello everyone. So you can see this yellow colored device is called a multimeter. These are the various type of batteries, and today I will show how to measure potential difference. First of all, what is potential difference? Potential difference can be defined as work done to move a unit charge from one point to another point. Okay, that is called the potential difference. Now potential difference is measured in volts. So you can see that I have set this knob of this multimeter on volt, and now I will show that how we can measure the voltage of any particular battery. First of all, I am taking this small cell, and if I put these terminals to the end of this cell, I can see that voltmeter is showing around 1.56, means this cell is of 1.5 volt. I think you can see, okay, 1.5 volt. Now I am taking another battery. The rating of this battery is I think around 9 volt, but let's check. So you can see that it is showing 9.00, means you can see the potential difference of this battery is 9 volt. Now I am taking another type of cell, and let's measure the potential difference for this battery also. So you can see it is showing around 1.5 to 1.6. okay, generally these cells are coming off 1.5 volt. It is also called a AA battery, and this is called a AAA battery. And the last one is known as jumbo cell. So let's check potential difference of this cell. So you can see that the potential difference of this cell also 1.5 volt, and you can see that rating also on the cell it will show only 1.5 volt. Thank you.